women like you and me जिनके बच्चे हैं and you have to like quickly get ready, or suppose who are working out somewhere and they need to go for an appointment which has just been decided, तो आपको झट से निकलना पड़े, but then you have to prep up yourself for that. तो उसके लिए you can do something within 2 minutes by using very limited number of makeup products. तो मैं सोची कि मैं ये एक चैलेंज करके आप लोग सबको दिखाऊं, शेयर इट विथ ऑल ऑफ यू, सो दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू पीपल आर getting ready and if you have to get ready in a hurry, then maybe these products that I'm using are going to be useful to you all. और अगर आपको ये useful लगे तो do give in your likes and comment in my comment box, and for all those who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I love you all and trust me, ये जो आप लोग मेरे को सब्सक्राइब करते हो and you write your beautiful comments, it's such a big motivation and encouragement for me कि मैं अपना busy schedule में अपने लिए टाइम बना के वीडियोस बना सकूं. I get motivated to do that. I feel useful. मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ यूजफुल कर रही हूँ. So thank you for that, and all those who are new to my channel, जो रेड बटन है उसको क्लिक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, हिट द बेल बटन so that you and me can stay connected and you shall be notified exclusively when I upload a video next. So the challenge is to do a basic makeup that you need to do to make yourself presentable. उसके लिए मैं क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करूंगी, I will mention it in my description box. Also write it down for you to know कि मैं कौन सा प्रोडक्ट यूज की हूँ. So the time starts now. It's a very basic makeup that you can do if you are time limited. अगर आपको ज्यादा खास समय है नहीं and your husband says नहीं चलो मेरे को कहीं जाना है, I'm coming in about 5 minutes, get ready. Or suppose you have to go somewhere, a friend says हाँ चलो let's go for coffee, no time, I'm just below your building, तो आप ये झट से अप्लाई करके जा सकते हैं. ओके, so for this I have done the basic clean up of my face. मैंने अपना फेस को क्लीन अप करके मैं मॉइस्चराइज कर चुकी हूँ. Time starts now. So for this basically I'm using this is Lakme 925, as you can see. This is a primer matte powder foundation. I have been very wise enough to select this. तो मेरे को इसके लिए primer अलग से जरूरत नहीं है. This is infused with primer that's gonna seep into your skin. Primer की जरूरत नहीं है. This is a cushion product, as you can see. तो इसको निकाल के just roll it और बेसिक फाउंडेशन. ओके, इसको आप just apply it all over your face, roll it to your face, your neck. Please excuse, those are my 2 children playing बाहर. This is the only time I get from myself. This is done. ठीक है, my basic foundation, the base makeup is done through this Lakme 925. Next what I'm gonna do is use a bit of a thing for my eyes. मैं अपने eyes के लिए use कर रही हूँ Lakme Absolute का Infinity eye shadow palette. ठीक है, this is Midnight Magic. It's got some beautiful colors. तो I am going to use this as you can see. ये जरा सा ये बर्न्ट वाला जो ऑरेंज कलर है मैं उसी को अप्लाई करूंगी. ठीक है, onto my lids. It's got a little mirror also to it, so मैं ये मेरे क्रीज लाइन और आईलिड्स पे अच्छे से लगा लूंगी. ओके, एंड टॉपिंग इट में ये थोड़ा सा ये जो पिंक है ना, ये वाला भी मैं यूज कर रही हूँ. जस्ट दीज टू कलर्स. एंड मैं ये ब्राउन वाला जो ये बर्न्ट ऑरेंज काइंड ऑफ अ कलर है, ब्राउनिश, इसको मैं अंडर आई में भी थोड़ा लगा रही हूँ, जस्ट टू एड लिटिल बिट ऑफ कलर टू माय अंडर आई ऑल्सो. ठीक है, सम कलर ऑन टू माय आई. Eye is kind of done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brown eyeliner. This is by Lakme, okay, Lakme Iconic, and this is a brown color. So ये मेरा two purpose का काम होगा. So the first is going to be for underneath my eyes. ठीक है, just to give in that extra bit of a line, कि थोड़ा सा कुछ दिखे. ठीक है, and I'm also going to use this for eyebrows. ये brown color है ना, it just suits the Indian brunette. ज़्यादा नहीं, just to give a definition to my eyes के थोड़ा सा कुछ लगे. ठीक है, okay. After this, what I'm going to do is use a mascara, okay, just to open up my eyes, ताकि मेरा eyes थोड़ा सा bright लगे, open up लगे. Mascara lifts up your eyelashes, so that looks nice. ठीक है, carefully कीजिएगा, जब भी करें लोग carefully कीजिएगा. ठीक है, and this is done. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use for my lips and cheek the same thing. This is a beautiful thing I discovered. This is from Nykaa. This is the molten metal, and the color is Phoebe 10. It's a nice pink color, which is for your lips and cheek. Okay, so I'm using this again. और इसी को cheeks में डालें. Okay. Just dab it to give it a flushed kind of a thing, a blush kind of a thing. It's awesome. And I'm kind of done. Just give it a touch up. If you're not happy with the color, you can just use another coat. The basic makeup that I took about only 4 to 5 products to complete, and just about ready to go for coffee or go for a drive, or just go to some kind of a store to pick up something, just anything, or just look pretty when you just want to just dress up for no reason. आपको कैसा लगा मेरा ये makeup with the basic products, the new ones that I have got recently? I really loved it. It's very important to choose very efficient multi-purpose products that doesn't take much time. Just put it inside your special बैग, यू नो, ऐसे एक बैग कोई चीज रेडी रखिए, और जब भी आपको झट से कहीं से जाना पड़े, यू नो, यू जस्ट हैव टू पिक अप द पाउच, इसी में सारी चीज है, एंड दिस इज गोना हेल्प यू गेट रेडी. सो आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. इफ यू डू गिव इन योर लाइफ जस्ट अ बेसिक makeup to, you know, look prep up and look pretty, and do subscribe to my channel if you're new to it, and for all those who have already subscribed, thank you so much. I love you all. Your support, your motivation, your comments are my reward. मेरा जो ये इतना hard work मैं करती हूँ to make videos, it's all because of you people. Thank you so much, and keep connected, and till I see you in my next video, stay good, stay happy, look beautiful, and I love you all. Bye bye.